Okay, this is the night before the proposal, and the ring is right here. Let's hope that my baby likes it. But that is the ring for the proposal that will occur in the morning. I'm Andy Barr, and I've just spent the whole night cleaning the house, making sure it's perfect for my babies. Let's walk through the house. I mopped, I swept. Let's talk about the plan. And the plan is, with these roses, 2 dozen roses, I'm going to peel the petals off and I'm going to spread them on the floor to here and have a presentation here with the roses, with a bag, and then I'm going to present the ring. I also, so she doesn't know, have a bouquet of sunflowers, her favorite flower. So the night before the proposal, that is the plan. We shall see what happens.